this computer. Okay. And I need to move this. Right. So today we're going to talk about managing quality. So let me see. Is my internet line slow? Okay. Slow. So we're going to define quality and total quality management. And then we're going to look at ISO 9000, ISO International Quality Standard on quality, quality and international quality standard. We look at Six Sigma a bit. Okay, Six Sigma. What is Six Sigma? Not too much because it's quite technical. And then we look at one of the tools, benchmarking, explain how benchmarking is used. And also we look at Taguchi methods. Have you heard of Taguchi? Taguchi, Genichi kado Taguchi kita koto aruka. Nihonjin yo. Genichi Taguchi. Taguchi method. Robust quality engineering. Taguchi methods. But anyway, it's okay. So we look at robust quality and then we want to look at some tools, okay, some tools, just for you to be aware of, not for you to master, but your assignment require one of the tools, which is Pareto chart. Okay, I will explain later. Now, so the book gives Arnold Palmer Hospital. Arnold Palmer is a hospital which actually implements the managed quality, and quality has provided competitive advantage. So they deliver 12,000 babies annually. Virtually every type of quality tool is employed. Basically, they understand what quality is, quality management. So it involves continuous improvement, employee empowerment, benchmarking, and so on, just in time. We'll look at some of this, right? So how organizations, I want you to understand and to ask this question, how can organization become quality organization? Quality organization, how they can implement quality management. On the whole, overall, quality relates to strategy. Okay, quality relates to strategy. Because when we manage quality properly, correctly, will help to build these strategies for operations management, differentiation, low cost, and response strategies at the same time. Many organizations don't see this. Many companies fail to understand that quality is key success factor. I think Japanese organizations, many understand this. For example, when you say differentiation, what is differentiation? There was a question in the test, differentiation. What is differentiation? The answer is high quality. Last week, the test is high quality is differentiation, not other things. So for example, Bose is maker of stereo. Okay. So they produce among the best in the world. So their differentiation is, high quality stereo speakers. Okay. And of course, by high quality, it can sell, right? Quality. Secondly, quality, Nucor is a company producing quality steel at low cost. Low cost, Toyota also is actually, not to say low cost, low quality. Low cost doesn't mean low quality. People misunderstand. Do you think low cost is low quality? No, doesn't mean. Okay, in Japan there is Daiso. Daiso. I said this already first lecture. Cheap because it can produce at a lower cost by efficient processes. Okay, efficient processes. Let me just choose a pen here. Pen. A little pointer. Okay. Low cost. Okay, efficient process. I'm just showing you. Okay, I'm just. What else do you think? In terms of response, how does quality, using a quality strategy, able to meet response strategy? Okay, Akiko, how, what is response strategy? Akiko, doko ni mas.
Yes, yes.
So why response is considered to be, successful? Okay, how does quality helps to create response?
Response means like feedback from customers.
Response means
Feedback from customers.
no, not that feedback. Not that feedback. Response means time.
Time.
I buy an order, you meet the time. Promise. I promise you, deliver, this date. Response time.
Like from order to deliver.
Yes. Delivery. Okay, that's customer response. So how quality helps, response?
It very convenient service.
Okay, very good. Any other answers, Miyoko? Anything? Why? How response strategy? How quality helps response strategy?
Response strategy, quick response sometimes, very short time to deliver from order.
Hi.
It's differentiation. And,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But okay, I just discussed to you. So Dell computer responds to customer order through a good quality system. Little rework. High quality. The show. If there is so much rework, can you send to the customer? Fast throughput? No fast throughput. So that's why quality is key to operations management or to business success. Because it will support differentiation, it can support low cost, it can support responsiveness. It can support. Okay, that's why. Right. I haven't asked you the question what is quality yet. Now, okay, never mind. It's okay. After this, there is a question. What is quality? So this is
you mean their computer give them response, but takes long time because
short time. Dell computer short time. That means if I order, Dell computer said deliver on 10th of June, they will deliver 10th of June. They don't they don't deliver beyond promised date. So why they can deliver promised date? Because their system is producing less rework, very efficient, on time, JIT, maybe JIT. So you can meet. So quality and strategy also. So quality must put at the strategy. Quality is not only some company, quality control dah kena, QC dah kena, inspection dah kena. So it was done. So quality is a strategy. It is a quality must be managed. So if you improve quality, you can improve sales. Via improve response, flexible pricing, improve reputation. If you improve quality, meaning you must improve quality. Always think about quality improvement. So reduce cost, because why? Lower rework. Okay, scrap cost, lower warranty. You know warranty? Warranty claim. You know warranty? Sure. What is warranty? You know warranty? What is warranty? Sure.
Maintenance.
Maintenance, or when you buy a product, you know there is a defect, then you send back to the dealer, they have to repair. So warranty cost is reduced when you have your process is high quality and the product is high quality. Okay, right. So companies with the highest quality were 5 times more productive. That means they produce more units per hour. This is so there are facts. It's facts. But why companies don't produce high quality? Ngotak wakaran na ini. I always don't understand why company don't produce high quality. Miho, why companies don't produce high quality? Wakaran na ini.
They think the most important thing is income.
Yes. They always think about profit but they don't
Yes.
see. They do not see rework is loss, scrap is loss, warranty is loss, lost money. Okay, right. Okay, then we go to the next one. Now you understand quality is a strategy. So I ask the question now, but before that, okay, we'll explain to this. You know, if you want to achieve, this is the flow of activities towards total quality management, meaning excellent company. Imagine total quality management is excellent company, good company, good quality product, good process, but it is very difficult to achieve this. Not easy, not easy. Building a quality organization is a demanding task. Okay, so you must start from organizational practice with leadership, mission statement, and so on. So you will achieve this. What is important, what is to accomplish. And then they have quality principle. In the company, everybody works because focus on customer focus. Many companies don't work because of customer focus. Many companies, they work because they want to make money. Make money, not customer focus. So quality principle, company having customer focus, continuous improvement, and they implement tools, they are going to achieve, become total quality company. Okay. Employee fulfillment, that means they use employees to give ideas. Empowerment means, we have a discussion on this after this, empowerment. You give power to employees to make decisions. Give power to employees to innovate, create processes which are faster, and of course give higher pay. Higher pay. I mean, that is when we get more profit, you can give more pay. Okay, so because employee attitude that can accomplish what is important. Quality product comes from quality process, comes from quality people, comes from quality equipment, comes from quality management. Leader, all quality leader, quality machine, quality people, then quality product. If not, no quality product. No quality product. Because employee must be trained, must have knowledge, must have skill. Takumika. You have to have a professional. Okay. Then they know how to do work. Okay. Because I was trained in Japan. I was trained in Mitsubishi, 1983-84. So 1 year I was trained in Mizushima plant. I know the understanding of Moda, Mura, Muri. I know about discipline, 5S, okay, and Kaizen no Kangai Katan. But difficult. I teach people that they don't understand. Very difficult because no feeling. But anyway, so finally, customer satisfaction. End of the day, Finally, customer satisfaction. If no customer satisfaction, no repeat customer. Repeat, you understand? Repeat customer, come back. Come back. Okay, so, right. So what is quality, Akiko? We have been talking about quality. Kinshitsu wa nan desu ka? You can read the book's definition. It's okay because the book is actually it's a formal definition. Formal definition. What does the book gives you? What is the definition? And maybe you explain a little bit. What is quality? Or who wants to answer is okay. Dari demo iyo. Sarah mo demo iyo.
Quality, the ability of a product or service to meet customer needs.
Ability of the product to meet customers' needs. Okay. Can you explain to me when we say the word ability? What does it mean, ability of the product?
Ability of product. What companies can do means you mean the meaning of the ability?
Yeah, give me an example like ability. When you say ability, is it from the book, the definition?
Yes.
Okay. The ability to satisfy needs. Okay. But the book says stated or implied needs. Okay. I'll show you now. Now let's discuss this. Okay, because you said just now ability to satisfy needs. Then I ask the question, right? What do you mean by ability to satisfy the needs? Or we miss this. You have to mention it is the totality of features. What do you mean by totality of features? Okay, I buy a pen. Simple thing, a pen. I will give all this example, very simple. Pen. Feature wa nan desu ka? Characteristic wa nan desu ka? Kono pen wa. Sarah.
We can write down something by using it.
Okay, so you can write down something, but I don't want a pen that can write something. I don't want. I want a pen that can write, smoothly. I don't want a pen that can write. I want a pen that can write nicely. I don't want a pen that can write. That's the characteristics. The characteristics of a quality pen, it writes smoothly. The ink flow, there's no blot. Blot. There's no, yeah. So those are things that, come into the picture when you talk about, that's a simple product, pen. Okay. Let's move on, a car. Okay. So the totality means every features, characteristics or product that give the ability. Bears mean, what is bear? Bear mean give. That provide ability. That means it will be able to satisfy your stated or implied needs. When you buy a car, what is the implied needs? Or you buy a car, or you don't buy a car, you ride a bicycle. What is the meaning of implied? Stated, implied. Stated wa nan desu ka, implied wa nan desu ka? Miyoko, what is the difference between stated and implied? Dari ga Shiteru. So, do you know stated versus implied? Stated means it is written down in the book, in the operating manual. But implied means it's implied. You buy a car, it can drive. You know, you cannot say the warranty book say, oh, this car can drive. No need to say. The pen can write. No need to say. I know the pen will write. It's implied needs. Implied means it's already known. Okay. All products will have implied needs. Okay. Handphone. Why do you buy handphone? Why do you need a handphone? What is the ability to satisfy implied needs? Implied means I can make a call. Okay, I can make a call. I can send message. Implied. But of course, stated means it has certain, memory. It has certain specifications. That's stated. Okay. Okay, we move on. If not, we'll not finish this because it's my favorite topic. So I tend to elaborate too much. Okay. So for operations manager, so what is the objective for operations manager in quality with regard to quality? The operations manager's objective is to build a total quality management system that identify and satisfy customer needs. Okay, so all operations manager has the responsibility or objective is maximize or make it achieve the total quality management system. Okay. There are many views of quality as well, okay? Because some people will, okay, how you define quality of a car, you know? Why you like Honda? Why you like Toyota? Okay, Mihoko, which car you would like best? Which car you like best?
Honda,
Honda. Why?
because they have strong engine.
Strong engine car.
Yeah,
You don't
especially winter time.
You don't like the design because Honda sporty, oh?
Mm.
Toyota
Yeah.
not sporty. Toyota
Yes.
is okay. Why do you buy this perfume, this shampoo? Oh, because it is, very, how can I say that? A very nice smell. Okay, so this is user based quality definition. It is marketing based. Nice color, nice smell. Okay, so those are beautiful. Okay, beautiful is very difficult to measure. Very difficult to measure. Beautiful is in the eyes of the beholder. Okay, so that's the first one, user base. Second, quality, because we cannot just get customer to tell us, I want a beautiful car. I need to define that beautiful and come up with design. So this is product based. So all products will have specific and measurable attributes of product. So designer will use this product based. Designer will have product-based quality characteristics. Understand? So this is, the first is marketing, second is more engineering and also design. And the third one, because, if I define quality, I always define according to manufacturing base because I'm a manufacturing guy. I'm a manufacturing person. So I say, if I want to make this, according to the specification, this should be 10 mm. This should be hardness. So that is manufacturing based quality. Understand? So this is, all is right. All is right. Not wrong. Eh? Everything is right. In fact, if you refer to some research, you will find more other different quality perspective. Okay. Right. Any questions? So these are the three things. And of course, it translates into this idea that I mentioned just now. So addresses all three categories. Quality identified through market research. So you must identify customer requirement using market survey, using quality function deployment. There are tools. And characteristic identified in number 1 will be translated into product characteristic and specifications during design and engineering, product development. And it will be transferred to manufacturing, number 3, which is manufacturing based. You build quality and produce during manufacturing, or even if service realization, if it is service, during the service realization. Okay, so these are the different perspectives of quality, and all are important. Okay, all are important, and look at where you fit in. If you are a marketing guy, you should fit into the user base. Okay, if you are manufacturing, you are in manufacturing or operations base, operations base. Okay. So the impact of quality is very obvious. Very obvious. It is company reputation, perception of new products, or even employment practices. If a good company, many people want to work in a good company, and also supplier relations. I forgot to mention, quality supplier also important because we buy from many suppliers. So supplier cannot deliver quality components, cannot make. Or even 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven, if the supplier send onigiri, which is already bad, cannot eat. Okay, so supplier must control supplier as well. Okay, product liability means if the company doesn't take care of quality, there will be a lot of claims. Okay, claims, or even until courts, like the Toyota case in US. Okay. And also in terms of global implication, improve ability to compete. If you can produce high quality products, you can sell all over the world. Any market, it is accepted. Because quality today is a must. It's not something which is mandatory, accessory. It is mandatory. There is this, have you heard of Malcolm Borish National Quality Award? It is actually an award given for quality organizations. It is designed to promote TQM practices. And these are some of the recent winners. Because the US government, they wanted to fight with the Japanese, they created this actually in 1980. This is history. You can read that. They are competing with Japan because Japan at that time has already achieved very high quality products. Exporting cars, electronic goods all over the world. So they created award where in this award, you can Google in the internet. Okay, it's now called Baldrige Excellence Framework. So inside this framework, it actually gives you ideas how to create a quality organization from leadership, strategy, customers, workforce, operations, and of course results. So this is the framework. Okay, the core values and concept. I don't have time to explain it, but you can look into this. Normally what organization does is actually they apply for the award. They apply for the award. These are the criteria. Applicants are evaluated on these criteria: leadership, strategic planning, and so on. So that's why I said, if you want to become an excellent company, you can use this as a criteria to check, or are we good here? Are we good in strategic planning? Are we customer focused? Right? But in the Baldrige, they have this auditor that actually checks. It is similar to Deming Award. Okay, Deming Prize. This is in Japan. You can Google. Okay, this is in similar, same concept given to companies, and also there are individuals given in Deming Prize. Why Deming? Why Deming? Wakaruka. Deming wakar Shtemaska. Shiranane. Deming is the American consultant that went to Japan and helped Japan in 1951. It was no, it's 50. Oh yeah, okay. He went and contributed greatly to Japan's improvement in quality using statistical quality control. Okay, Edward Deming, father of quality, quality guru. He died in 1993. I like his thinking. I love the way that he thinks. He always say, he said, one of the saying is 90% of problem in company is because of management. Not I say, Deming say. 90% of problems in companies is because of poor management. No quality management. Okay. So this is the Deming price evaluation criteria. You can Google it. You can Google. You can see here, establishment of business objective and strategies and top management leadership. And then suitable utilization implementation of TQM. Okay. Establishment of cross-functional management. So this is the process. Doing, implement. Kedua, strategy. Strategy. Yadimas, effect. Effect. So, what is it? What kind of Kasha company Yarana? Ichiban iyo. Naze Mihoko. Money.
Making money.
Making money only, making money. But not make money only, but it was to stress, improve. Like human being, okay? Human being, it's more shigoto, dame, stress. So you need to strategize. Then see effect. TQM, you can practice TQM by yourself. Like me, I practice a little bit of TQM. Okay, right. ISO 9000 is a standard for companies to implement quality. Also, it's a system. Okay, it's a system. It is international recognition, and it requires procedures. Okay, it requires quality management procedure. So ISO 9000 companies, they have management procedure. For example, purchasing procedure, production procedure, design procedure, and detailed documentation, work instruction, and quality record keeping. Okay, they have it's a system basically a system, good system. Okay, so many TQM companies have ISO 9000 as well, and the principles is similar to total quality management. So it's similar. Similar means almost the same. Okay. So if a company, if you want to start TQM or you want to implement quality, use ISO 9000. Daiju. Okay. I've given training on ISO 9000. I can help company to become quality company. But company don't want to use me. Because I'm very straightforward. Okay. I say this is way, this is not good, this is right. But some people don't want to accept. Okay, very difficult. Okay, I go faster because one of the element of quality is cost of quality, and you don't have to memorize this. You just need to understand that anything that when we make work, we do work, there are many prevention costs. Anything that we do to prevent defect is prevention. For example, ISO 9000 is prevention. Or doing what do you call audit is prevention. Okay, it may be appraisal. Appraisal means checking. So appraisal is checking. For example, inspection, evaluate product, incoming inspection, in-process inspection. So there's a cost. So in cost of quality, we have this PAF model. PAF. F is failure. But failure, there is internal failure and external failure. Anything that cause defect, which is money, defect is money. Internal means in the organization. It has not gone out. Anything that is discovered outside your factory or outside your facility operations, external failure. So the theory is this. If you look at this graph, if your total cost should reduce if you do a lot of improvement, quality improvement, more improvement, then your cost will be reduced. Okay, so that's theoretically you should result into this. Right. Any questions until now? So these are the quality gurus. You can see their philosophy. You can read about their philosophy. If you want to know more, you should read about Deming, Edwards Deming, Juran, Feigenbaum, Crosby, and also the Japanese guru is Kaoru Ishikawa. Kaoru Ishikawa is Japanese what they call quality gurus. Guru mean expert, teacher. This is I think is from Indian language, right? So for Deming is very management oriented, and his systems approach, he has these 14 points for quality improvement. I'm going to show this after this. Juran also went to Japan to help Japan improve quality after the Second World War. Okay, and Feigenbaum and also Philip Crosby. Philip Crosby is known by his book, Quality is Free. Quality free, quality wa tada. Because many people think quality must spend a lot of money. So you can kata wa dame, not right. Because quality, if we invest in quality, it will pay by itself, pay off. Invest in quality training, defects prevention. Defects were costly. Failure is costly. I will show you a video after this. You can see failure. So this is famous for quality is free. Hi. And ethics and quality management. So as operations manager, you must deliver healthy, safe, quality products and services. Some products, if we do not take care of their quality, it can result into human health, affect human health or injuries. Tesla has a lot of accidents. Tesla. Okay, so poor quality risk injuries or even lawsuit, recall, and also not meeting regulation, fail to meet regulation. So it's ethics. If a manager find something which is defect in the factory, for example, we produce something, it is safety issue. So we need to have ethical conduct. So ethical conduct must dictate response to problem. For example, public announcement, product recall. Product recall, shitemasu ka? Shitemasu ka? Product recall. Sure. Product recall wa nan desu ka?
If the product have the problem, they have to recall all the product.
Okay. So you have to actually recall. Recall means to call back and
Yes.
change. For example, Toyota, call back, change the defective parts. Honda at one time, the airbag, airbag faulty, change the airbag. Okay. So not hiding safety issues because it is ethics. Because, like Volkswagen, at one point in time, they produce, fuel emission, but they cheating. You know the story, Volkswagen cheating the emission. They use, program to cheat the nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide coming out from the car, right? You know, NOx and CO is actually dangerous to human, right? But you know, these are unethical. I don't know why people do it, but people do it. Money ne, money. Mihoko, money ne, money. Okay, so all stakeholders must be considered. Okay, that means when you talk about ethics, we must educate our suppliers. Supplier must tell us if there are quality issues. Must tell. Okay, all workers, they must follow SOP, follow work order. You know, and also customers, we have to tell customers. Okay, let's stop and feel sad.
Yeah, of course. And I mean, there's a proverb that the little drops of water make the mighty ocean, but this is the really bad way. Like, company might think this is just a little thing, but it became a
Disaster.
disaster in the
Yeah.
future. So yeah, I was shocked.
So have you actually seen this video before? No one?
No.
Miho, have you seen this video? No.
No, I haven't, but of course I knew.
Yeah, you know about the story about Toyota.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I
So, but
haven't seen
when you
this
watch this
video.
video, okay, what's your impression? What's your
Yeah, very sad, and we have responsibility to take how can I say,
take care?
ethic.
Yeah, ethics. Yeah.
Ethic is very important for making products, and
Yeah.
and
So that it
our
doesn't.
mind is very important.
Yeah. So that, you know, because quality affects safety as well. Safety of life, of environment, you know, destroy the environment. Okay, Akiko, impression. I've heard from all. And I want to hear from you also.
Yeah, I think that these companies are very selfish.
Yeah, that's a good word actually.
Very tiny things, but it makes disaster.
Yeah.
That very bad, I think.
That's a good word. That's a good word. The word is selfish. Selfish. Selfish means they only think about profit. They only think about launching products. They only think about, you know, famous. You know, they only think so selfish. Yeah, you're right. Okay. So then I can finish my lecture. I don't need to finish my lecture. You understood already. You can read a lot. You can read a lot about, you know. So that's why, you know, I'm very passionate about quality, because I believe in, you know, companies, if they want to become excellent, and you know, they need to actually embrace quality, like what he said just now, right? Soccer. Actually, quite a lot also. Can see the slide? Can you see the slide? Okay. So this brings us to formal definition of total quality management. Let me just finish a few more slides before I let you take a break. So, okay, so it encompasses entire organization from supplier to customer. Okay, now I can just go as fast as I can. And it stresses a commitment by management to have a continuing company-wide drive towards the word is excellence. The word is excellence in all aspects of products and services that are important to the customer. Okay, so that's the philosophy of total quality management. So this is what Deming pointed out. It is a very famous Deming 14 points for implementing quality improvement, but it is not a step by step. No, it is by, you know, it's like thinking, you know. For example, lead to promote change, create consistency of purpose. That means the purpose must be clear. Emphasize leadership, which is quality leadership. drive up fear from workers, because sometimes workers come to work, they are afraid to tell that this is a problem, because when they tell this is a problem, managers scold them, so that is not good. We have to tell this is a problem, and do you have some ideas to actually improve this? I like Toyota. Toyota is, you know, they have these quality circles, quality control circles, group of people doing idea generation, trying to find out ways of doing how to improve. Okay. So this is 14 points for implementing quality improvement in an organization. It's like, you know, things you can check whether we do this or not. Whether if you don't do this, then you need to do it. And this is what the book gives. Okay, the book. I'm not going to go beyond this. This is what the book says about, you know, 7 concepts in TQM, continuous improvement, Six Sigma, and so on. So have you seen this PDCA before? PDCA. Have you ever come across PDCA? Plan, do, check, act. Shuhat PDCA. Japanese very like this. Taihen skill. PDCA. Plan, do, check, act. Identify pattern and make plan. Test plan. Is plan working or is improvement good? Then implement, standardize, Yokoten. Yokoten. So that is standardization. Yokoten, Mihoko. Yokoten. Yokoten. So standardization. The action. So it is never-ending process. It will improve. You need to improve people, equipment, material, procedure. That is why it's okay to start from not so good. No, that's why Kaizen. And idea is every operation can be improved. Every impression can be improved, but of course we can improve, slowly or drastic. So the Japanese call this Kaizen. So Japanese use Kaizen, process of unending improvement, continuous incremental improvement, Kaizen. But of course, Kaizen is thinking, is a thinking. やり方じゃないね。考え方ね。わかるか？わかりますか？Okay, Miyoko, what is different between when we say Kaizen is thinking and not steps? What does it mean?
Not steps.
This is not just tools, tools, technique. Not
Not only
technique.
technique.
Not only technique, but concept, whole idea. So same like what do you call Toyota production system, lean, TPS was thinking. Toyota production was thinking, and in the thinking there is tools, there is concepts. Not some companies, they want to implement tools. After this, what tool? After this, what tool? tool only. No. After this technique, so that's why they fail. Okay, TQM and zero defects also used to describe continuous improvement. Let me just okay, I think I don't want to spend too much on Six Sigma. Six Sigma is just a concept because it's a statistical tool. Okay, statistical tools. It is based on what do you call 3.4 defect per million if the process variation is 6 sigma, plus minus 6 sigma, not plus minus 3 sigma. Okay, if plus minus 3 sigma, you have 2,700 defects per million. But 6 sigma will change that. It's Americanized. It is American. It's not Japanese. It's that's why not popular in Japan. I don't think it's popular in Japan. Not popular. It's only popular in. The approach is DMAIC. I pronounce DMAIC. 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 Define problem, measure, analyze, improve, control. So this is like a step. So Six Sigma step is DMAIC. Okay. Define the project problem, collect data, analyze data, improve, and then control. Okay. Let's take a 5-minute break. Okay, take 5 because I think take 5. Kohun